We are pursuing with our further topics about food and digestion in part 2. So let's begin. We eat both cooked and uncooked food. There are some foods which we do not cook and we eat it as raw, like some vegetables which contains vitamin C. If we cook it, then the vitamin C is lost in cooking. Therefore, they are eaten as raw. While eating raw vegetables, we should always wash them properly to remove the germs. So you can see here there are some foods which are eaten as raw, like nuts, seeds, flax, hemp seeds, some vegetables, greeny leafy vegetables, and on the other hand there are foods which are cooked. We cannot eat them rotten, like rice, meat, pulses, etc. Advantages of cooking food. It kills germs and make food harmless. It makes food tender and easy to digest. There are different ways of cooking food. Example, rice, eggs, pasta. These are cooked by boiling. Fish and chicken are cooked by roasting. We bake breads and cakes by steaming vegetables and idlis, by frying French fries and fish. Precautions to be taken while cooking. Food must not be overcooked as overcooking destroys the vitamins. If some vegetables or cereals are kept soaked in water for a long time, they lose vitamins. Therefore, food must be cooked with just enough water so that no extra water is thrown. Always peel or cut the fruits and vegetables after washing them, as vitamins and minerals are present just below the skin of the fruits and vegetables. Here are few methods in which we can preserve food. First method is by freezing. Some foods like meat, eggs, vegetables, fruits, these foods are kept in refrigerators so that they can be stored for a longer duration of time. Next is airtight containers. This method keeps away moisture and thus helps in preserving food for a longer time. Example, cereals and pulses. Another method is salting. The salt and water of the food form a concentrated solution in which germs cannot live. Like meats are kept preserved using a salting method. Next method is boiling. It is a very common method. It destroys germs which spoil food. Next is drying. Moisture is necessary for the growth of bacteria. If the food is dried or dehydrated, it can be preserved for many days. This method is used to preserve milk, potatoes, and other vegetables. Another method is sweetening. Some foods like jams and jellies are stored in strong sugar syrup to preserve them. Last method is adding preservatives. Preservatives are substances which are added to food to slow down the growth of germs. Sodium benzoate is one such chemical preservatives. Next time when you buy any packed or canned item, see which preservatives are added to it. Here in this picture, you can see different methods like freezing, airtight containers, salting, boiling, drying like banana chips, sweetening like jams, adding preservatives, etc. Thank you.